So in today's video, I'm going to be using these party decorations out of the section of the Dollar Tree, like the summer, the luau section. And I found these really pretty leaves in the pack. But what I want to do is I want to use these as a guide. I want to use them as like stencils to create a wall piece. Now, because they have the white background, I'm going to have to cut that out to create the actual shape of these leaves. And the Dollar Tree now have the 2-pack of the large canvas frames for $5 in the $5 section, and you get 2 of them, so they're $2.50 each, and I really think that is a good buy. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. My name is Jenny, and I create budget-friendly home decor that is very easy to do. So here is the 2-pack of the frames from the Dollar Tree, and I was so excited to see that you get 2 of the large frames for $5. They do have these in Five Below, but you're paying $5 for one. So what I'm going to be doing is using both of them in today's video, and this is just a simple way. I love canvas art, but I do not know how to draw. I am not an artist, so I just wanted to share with you how I just created some wall art and just use some items from the Dollar Tree as stencils. So now that I've cut the white portion off, I'm going to just take a pen and trace around these leaves where I want them to be on this canvas frame. This is so simple, easy to do, and they did have other packages of these party supplies in the Dollar Tree, so you don't have to use these leaves. You can use many things from the Dollar Tree just to trace out as a guide to create you some wall art. This is really simple, easy, but I do love how they turned out. Also in today's video, I am teaming up with my friend May from Craft Away with May. As you know, we always come together and collaborate, and I absolutely enjoy hanging out with my friend May. So after watching this video, check the description box below for the link to her channel, because she is going to be doing some stencil projects as well, and I'm sure you're going to absolutely love them. I cannot wait to head over to her channel to see what my sweet friend has created. So I do want to trace out some of the leaves on the sides, just doing like half of the leaves, just a few of those here and there. And once I have them all traced out, I don't know if you can see real good why I have the placement. Now I'm going to be using that fern color chalk paint to paint in my leaves. I'm using a smaller brush first to go around. You can just go straight in and paint them, but I don't trust myself. I will color outside of the line. So if I don't go around this first with this paint to trace out my image, this wouldn't look the way it should if I just go straight in and painting it. So what I'm doing is just taking that color with a smaller brush, and I'm just going to trace the outside of the leaves. Now you can paint the background. You didn't have to leave it white. I will be painting the background on the second canvas, but for this one I just left it white. This is just some artwork that will be up for a short period of time, and then I'll put something else up. But I do really love this, and I think this is something that I'm going to be switching out from time to time when the season change. I do love greenery, wall art, and decor in my dining room. It gives me that boho vibe that I have in that room, and it also sort of blends in really good with my plants in that room. And so now, as you can see, I'm going in now, filling in the leaves with that color. And once I get this completely filled in, I am going to go back over the leaves with some sage color paint. It's a lighter green, and that is to bring in some definition, just create some lines and some little distressing to the leaves after I get this complete. Once again, as a reminder, I am teaming up with May from Craft Away with May to bring you some projects using stencils. So don't forget to check my description box below for her video so that you'll be a click away from some more inspiration. And I just wanted to share with you that you can use any items as stencils, long as you can trace them out or spray paint over them or paint over them. Once again, I am not an artist, but I can use things for a guide. Now I have completely filled everything in. I'm just going to go in on the stems of each one of these and bring in this sage color. I'm going to create some more distressing throughout the leaves, and that is going to be it for this. I absolutely love how it turned out. It was really easy to do, and I got some really cute wall art. If you're coming over from May's channel and this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you much for stopping by, and I really do hope you enjoy today's video. Now for this second canvas, I'm going in and painting the background of this with that French linen chalk paint by the brand Waverly. I'm just going to give it one good coat. As I mentioned earlier, you can leave it white, the blank canvas. You can paint it any color. That's what I really do like about using these canvas frames, because you can create some artwork to customize and fit your home, and use anything in the Dollar Tree that you find for a stencil, just like I found this large leaf placemat. I'm just going to cut off the tag. And then what I'm going to be doing is just finding placement on this canvas, how I want the leaf to be. And then I'm going to use a marker from the Dollar Tree to trace this out, because I decided that I want the outline of the leaf to be black. So I'm just going to go and trace this out, and then after I get it all traced out, I'm going to fill it in like I did the leaf, but I'm going to be using some orange chalk paint, and I think the color is the pumpkin color, and that's by the brand Waverly as well. As you can see, I'm just tracing out the leaf, and I thought this was a quick way, budget friendly, easy to do, to create something for the fall, just to add a large piece to the wall that really screams fall. With these pieces, you can always add some words. You can stencil on some words, or you can attach some words, some wood letterings, or things like that from the Dollar Tree. I didn't want to add any words to these, probably will later, but not now. Just showing you some inspiration. So once I get it all the way traced out, I filled it in with some orange paint, as I mentioned, and then I'm going to start blending in some other colors to give this a nice fall look. So now I'm going in with that same color, fern green, and as you can see, no rhyme, no reason, just trying to rough it up. And then I'm also going to bring in some of that cafe color, and I'm going to be bringing in a little bit of a yellow color that I have, just some different colors, some different fall colors, as you can see, just trying to blend it all in to get that nice fall look. And that is going to be it for this. I think this will be really pretty with the word welcome fall or fall in love stenciled over the leaf, or just even attached, but I'm going to leave it as is after I finish distressing it with no wordings and add it to the wall. And I absolutely love how this turned out. I think this is really cute and simple for the fall season. I just wanted to bring you some inspiration if you pick up some canvas frames, and if you're like me and you're not an artist, find something that you can trace or stencil to create you some beautiful wall art. Thank you all so much for tuning in and watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video just as much as I did. If so, please remember to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. Also, don't forget, today I'm collaborating with my friend May, and her information going to be linked in the description box below. So after watching this video, head over and tell my sweet friend May I said hello. And until next time, my friends, stay safe so that I can see you in the next video.